Dear students, good morning to all. I am K. Sumati, working as Assistant Professor in EC Department, SNS College of Technology. Today we discuss about case study on turbo decoder in car door locking. First, what is turbo decoder? So turbo codes are a class of high performance forward error correction codes developed around 1991 but was first published in 1993. They were the first practical codes to closely approach the maximum channel capacity or channel limit, a theoretical maximum for the code rate at which reliable communication is still possible given a specific noise level. Turbo codes are used in 3G 4G mobile communications, example UMTS and long-term evolution LTE, and in satellite communications as well as other applications where designers seek to achieve a reliable communication or information transfer over bandwidth or latency and constrain communication links in the presence of data corrupting noise. Turbo codes compete with LDPC codes. So LDPC means low density parity check. So which provide similar performance. So what is turbo coding in LTE? So the turbo coding generally the length of the tail bits is equal to the number of registers in one constituent encoder. For example, 3 registers are used in one constituent encoder in LTE. The sequence of tail bits is rearranged and 4 tail bits are attached after each information bit stream. The principle of turbo decoder is it is initially seemed to belong a restricted research area while now has become a part of the mainstream telecommunication theory and practice. The turbo decoding principles have found widespread applications not only in error control but in detection, interference, suppression and equalization. The turbo decoder block decodes the input signal using a parallel concatenated decoding scheme. The iterative decoding scheme uses the APP decoder as the constituent decoder, an interleaver and a deinterleaver. So the main applications of the turbo codes is the turbo codes are used extensively in 3G and 4G mobile telephony standards, for example EVDO and LTE, and the terrestrial mobile television system from Qualcomm. The interaction channel of satellite communication systems such as DVB-RCS4 and DVB-RCS2. Recently, NASA missions such as Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter use the turbo codes as an alternative to RS-Viterbi codes. And the IEEE 802.216, that means WiMAX, a wireless metropolitan network standard, uses block turbo coding and convolution turbo coding. So the turbo decoder allows the professional to open in a non-destructive way doors and ignition locks of vehicles of BMW, Audi, Porsche, etc. So the main principle of the turbo decoder is initially assumed to belong a restricted research area. So the advantages of the turbo decoder is in wireless multimedia, they use large frame sizes, lower bit error rate but long latency. Is using a small frame sizes, short latency but high bit error rate. Combined equalization and error correction decoding, combined multi-user detection and error correction decoding. Now we can see a small video of turbo decoder in Benz car door locking.